And welcome back to the KOM Morning News. For our birthday segment, we have Kara Kingman turning 11 years old today. Happy birthday, Kara.
And next we have Rick Hartsfield. If I pronounced that wrong, I apologize. Today's his birthday, and I don't know how old he is because he didn't say, but
he looks pretty young to me.
He looks young, yeah. I mean, like 30s maybe. Like,
there
looks good. Happy birthday, Rick.
And we have Sonia Blackford celebrating a birthday as well.
Next, we have Aaron Redburn turning 51. Happy birthday, Aaron.
And we have Glenda Ragland turning 65 today. Happy birthday, Glenda.
Next, we have Hunter Schultz turning 11, holding a rabbit. It looks like, is that a rabbit? Yes, that's like a big rabbit.
Yep, big rabbit.
Happy birthday, Hunter.
And we have 54th anniversary with Richard and Pat Dudley. Happy anniversary to you both. Have a great day.
And next we have Teresa Wilkerson turning 71. Happy birthday, Teresa.
And if you'd like to submit birthdays to us, you can do so at our email address, birthdays, that's with an S, at KOAMnewsnow.com.
Or you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.